Hey team, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm in a feral rage about solicitors trying to get your information to send you advertisements to lower your credit score. So today I'm going to show you how to opt out of all that mess for 5 years, simple online form, secure, and it will boost your credit score. All right, first things first, what is this all about anyhow? What is this that I'm opting out of? How does this impact my credit? What's going on in the background here? So let me kind of answer those questions for you. So if you remember from the previous video, which if you haven't seen, the link's in the description about credit reports, you'll remember that Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion are the three big credit reporting agencies that collect your information, and it's from them that the banks obtain all of your payment history, your open account status, and so on, to be able to make credit decisions on you, whether to lend you money and how much. And these companies make their money by selling your information. That's all they do. They sell your information to the banks, but they also sell your information to solicitors. And it's a big business for them to sell the personal data about you to companies that want to target you for advertising. So they know your credit profile, and when a company says, hey, I want to solicit people with a credit score from the range of 650 to 700 or 700 to 750, then they can just put together this list and then just sell it off as a package deal. What you're doing here, opting out, is getting your name off of that list. This really helps you in a couple of ways. One, it gets you out of that solicitation loop. So it frees up your mailbox from, whether it's credit requests for banks and credit cards or even insurance. And so this will help you out just to, keep you a little bit better organized. But the other thing too is these credit bureaus recognize that since your name is off the list, you're going to be solicited to less. So the likelihood of your new account openings popping up is a lot lower. And because of this, you should see a short-term boost to your credit score. This could be 2, 3, 5, 10 points. It's not a huge bump, but it can help. And if you're looking at a mortgage or an auto loan or something in the near future, this could be the thing that kind of bumps you up into that next tier. So let's go ahead and dive in to what you need to do to get off their list of being sold out and then have this in the clear for a 5-year period. So let's go here first. Optoutprescreen.com is the website that is the official consumer credit reporting industry website to accept and process requests from you, the consumer, to opt in or opt out of these firm offers for credit or insurance. So this is the legitimate site, and it exists because of the Fair Credit Reporting Act that was enacted by the government to make sure that things were being done fairly for you, the consumer. And so because of this, they required the agencies to give you the option to opt out. But they were clever and made it so that you could only opt out for 5 years online. If you want to make it a permanent opt out, then you have to actually write into them. I'm going to assume you don't have time for that and you just want to get it done quickly online. So that's what we're going to do here. This form takes maybe 2 minutes to fill out, and it's really going to save you a lot down the road. So here, all we're going to do is click to opt in or opt out, and then it just tells you you need your name, address, social security, and date of birth. This is information they already have. All you're doing is just validating it with them, saying that you are who you say you are and that you want out. So you can either opt in, which I don't know why you would ever want to opt back in, but here, electronic opt-out for 5 years is what we'll do. If you hit permanent opt-out, it'll get you the directions for what you need to do to complete that process. But for now, electronic opt-out, click continue. Here, you're going to provide your personal information, same things we just described, and then you'll do the security code and then hit confirm. So I'm going to fill this out, pause, and I'll be right back so we can finish up. Okay, now that I have the information in, I'll type out the security code for them to validate. And then hit confirm. That's it. So the following is a confirmation of your 5-year opt-out request. So if you click here, then you can print a copy for your record. Again, it'll be done in a pretty short time frame, within 5 business days. It becomes effective within 5 business days, but you might not see it go into effect right now in that time frame, because if the lists have already been sent out, you're still on the list. So it just will prevent you from any future solicitation from this point on within that 5-year window. So make sure to do this. As you saw, one simple form only takes about 2 minutes.
So hopefully that form was really easy for you to do, and you should see an impact to your credit score in a short order, because again, this is coming right from the credit reporting agencies. So this will really help you out in the short term, and it'll declutter your mailbox. If this kind of content is useful for you, drop me a like below and comment what else might be good for you to be able to increase your own financial education. Thanks. I'll see you next time.